What's going on guys, Kyle here from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an appointment booking agent in Lindy. In the left column, select New Chat and go down to New Workflow. You can either start from scratch or explore a template. For this video, I'm going to build one from scratch. So I'm going to tell Lindy to build an appointment booking agent. Schedule my meetings based on my calendar availability and provide me with any information I need beforehand. Once you have typed in your input, simply hit enter. Now it's telling me to click here to get my agent. So as you can see, my booking agent is complete. So what this agent does is checks your Google Calendar availability, finds the best times to meet with others, books, updates and cancels calendar events, sends meeting invitations and scheduling emails via Gmail, and provides full meeting details. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise.